Should a woman have to pay more than a man with the same driving record for auto insurance?
A new study claims some insurance companies are discriminating against people not only based on gender, but marital status.
We want to know what you think about this. Get your phones out right now and vote. Who do you think are better drivers? Men, women, or it makes no difference?
And now Detroit's Kim Russell didn't just read the study, she put it to the test.
You might think your driving record determines just how much you pay for auto insurance, but one study just released this week says if you are a woman, you will pay more because, well, you're not a man. The study on how much drivers are paying was sponsored by the group Michigan's Coalition Protecting Auto No Fault, or CPAN. The researcher behind it all says he asked for quotes from insurance companies, changing only the gender or marital status listed on the application.
And so we see companies that are doing it the right way. But with a couple of companies, including Progressive, Esurance, and when it comes to marital status, Liberty Mutual, among the ones we tested, they are doing these differential rating that discriminate against women and unmarried people.
And it is no small amount. Take a look at this chart. CPAN says Progressive charges women with perfect driving records as much as 38% more than men with the same record and vehicle. Esurance, 33%. Then there is Liberty Mutual, which allegedly charges a 5% surcharge on all drivers who lose a spouse, regardless of their sex.
There is no reason that somebody with a perfect driving record should see her rates go up because she lost her husband.
I reached out to these three companies for comment. Liberty Mutual released a statement saying it looks at many factors and works to be fair. Esurance responded, refusing to answer whether or not they charged men and women different rates, saying go to the Insurance Alliance for Michigan for comment.
We don't know which factors they're using, how they're using them, if they're accurate. And so we challenged the methodology of this study.
I decided to put the study to the test. I went on Esurance's website and requested two quotes. I got a quote for $1,525 for a man. For a woman, with identical information, that price jumped to $1,944. Now the question is, what is the state going to do to make sure that these insurance companies are all following the law? It is important to note many insurance companies were following the rules according to this study. One of them, AAA. Kim Russell, The Now Detroit.
Wow, is that
Fascinating,
hard
isn't
to
it?
believe?
It really is. So many factors going, we've learned before. Credit scores, address, a million things, but I didn't know about this one.
Well, I guess we learned something today, didn't
Yes.
we? Again, we want to hear from you right now. Who do you think make better drivers, men, women, or it really makes no difference?
Yeah, vote no on your phones, or you can go to WXYZ.com/vote. We're going to bring you the final results on 7 Action News at 5 right now. You see kind of a little bit of everything in the voting right there. We'll stay on top of it.